Hey, what is up, lawn care community? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by.
Here it is, boys, the new Gravely Pro Stance 48. I'll show you some stripes here. This was cut with the SCAG 48 V-Ride, so I'll try to get some footage of a cross angle for the new Gravely. Yeah, so here it is. I'll get some stripes popping for you, and I'll be doing a whole review of this machine, a full walkthrough sometime later this week. Just picked this up. Got some more accounts rolling, so why not? Love Gravely, Team Gravely. All right, let's get some stripes rolling.
Hey, no, no, hey, no, no, hey, no, no,
Alright, there we go, guys. First set of stripes with the Gravely. I mean, a lot of stripe quality depends on how good the grass is. So, this grass was mediocre. I'll try to get a few more stripes for you today. But, yeah, looks pretty good.
hey, no, no,